This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations, in Colorado, the Northern Front Range foothills including Estes Park and Nederland, the Southern Front Range foothills including Idaho Springs and Evergreen, Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range in the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range and the Indian Peaks. High wind warning in effect from 5 p.m. this afternoon to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. What? West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 75 miles per hour are possible. Where? Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range, the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks, the Northern Front Range foothills and the Southern Front Range foothills. When? From 5 p.m. this afternoon to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. The following impacts are expected. Strong winds will blow unsecured objects around. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Travel will be difficult for high-profile vehicles. Strong winds may lead to property damage. Hazardous driving conditions due to powerful crosswinds will pose a serious risk for drivers, especially for lightweight and high-profile vehicles. Loose outdoor items should be brought inside or secured properly.